Alright guys, I told you I was going to get you in the game. So here we got the Farberware Classic 25-piece triple riveted knife block and cut mat set, which includes your everyday essentials for your food prep tasks, guys. So when you look at this knife set right here, not very expensive. So you're coming in under $35 for the knife set. I'm not presenting these knives in any particular order. I just want to get this thing unboxed for you guys. You got your 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch bread knife, 7-inch slicer knife, 6-inch chef knife, 5-inch Santoku knife, 4.5-inch serrated utility knife, 4-inch utility knife, 3-inch paring knife, 4-inch boning knife, all-purpose shears, mini shears. You got your sharpening steel. You got 8 steak knives. You got your storage block, and then you got 4 8x7-inch cut mats. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, man, thank you for coming and exploring this channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button and that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want me to cook, because I'm all about that cooking, man. We gotta satisfy those appetites out there. And the mad scientist is in the lab, guys. I love doing what I do. Love bringing you guys this content. Again, man, I thank you guys for watching, man. It's more to come. Well, you'll see these knives in action, starting with the blooming onion recipe. Check that one out too. But guys, man, you in the game. I told you that. I'ma keep you in the game. We gonna win this thing. We gonna win some appetites. We gonna get some thumbs up. I'm gonna have your crowd cheering for you for more. Come on, guys, let's get it. We'll see you guys later. Peace.